Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, it's weekend. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of the weekend edition of Sunday, January the 18th, January the 19th, 2025. We have here two regular puzzles. The medium Sudoku with 3 stars. Let me show you. 9th, the 18th, yeah. Also, this one I will solve in a minute, and we have also a regular Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening. Yeah, tomorrow evening. In this weekend edition, we have a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Let me show you the puzzles. The 2 stars Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Tomorrow on Sunday, we have here an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, we have a lot of puzzles to solve. First one I will do is the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars. This one will be number 9927. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 1-star or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? The ATM. In this column we have 5 missing numbers. In the set column, 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in this big square, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 6 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in the first row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the third row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 5. Alright. And now. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 1 goes there. Then, need a 2 here. Need a 3 there. 7. We have a pair, I believe. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 and 8 in the middle column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Well, let me drink something. Excuse me. Alright. Then, need an 8 there. 8, 8, 8. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Need a 6 there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left. 6 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers. In the first row, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 7, 1, and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only place level 7 should be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box level 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. I need a 9 here, okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there or here. Do we have all the 8s? No, I believe not. Let me see. 3. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. 2, 9, 4, 2, 9, 4. 4, need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left the 4 is should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. 9, 9. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. So here we have a 4 and an 8. The other pair in this row should be the 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then let me see. 2, 2, and 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 5 should be there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next or last column. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. Missing here the 2 and the 1, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Need a recount, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3, number 2. Yeah, also 2 numbers left for the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One box left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Then 2 missing numbers in this first column. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left the 4, a should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left the 5, a should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. Finishing 30 minutes. Well, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 30 minutes. So well, please read the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. I also can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you soon.